Hello Mustang Maniacs, it's Rick Star Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today we're going to work once again on the 2009 45th anniversary Mustang. I bought this Mustang a few months ago to replace my 2005 Mustang. Unfortunately, it was in a car accident. I've been doing repairs on this thing to make it look sweet. Well, I finally got rid of her. I bought her brand new in September of 2004. Literally 20 years to the day, and she's out of my life forever. Well, in the last video, we repainted the spoiler. But today we're going to work on the bumper. I sanded it down a little bit, got some of the clear coat off. But we're going to do something similar to what we did with the spoiler. I'll do is I paint it, then I'm going to lightly sand everything, clear coat everything. So of course that requires taking off the bumper again. If you remember, we took the bumper off before to fix the other signal light. It was broken under here and we fixed it. You can check that video out. I'll put it on the end page. So that's the plan, man. I got the bumper off. I need to remove the grill and the bottom grill. So these things are pretty much held on just by little tabs. A flat blade, you should be able to just be careful not to break any tabs and stuff, because older vehicles, sometimes these things get a little brittle. Pretty much the same thing over and over again. All right, now we're gonna do the bottom part. All right, got that out. Okay. No, this only took about 5 minutes. Ta-da! So now I'm gonna wash this thing. Basically with some dishwashing soap. But this is basically the area I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna wash the whole thing. Use a little brush to get in there real good. It's really dirty here. I'm gonna use the water from the soapy water. So right here you see some scratches, I guess from parking and hitting things. It's not much, but enough to show up on the paint. So I'm gonna just scuff it down a little bit. I know it's probably overkill just doing a little fixed paint job here, but I think for best results, to paint the whole thing. Then when you clear it, I'm gonna focus on this spot right here. I'm gonna prime this part. And then tomorrow I'm gonna sand it down. And then we'll throw on our first coat of paint.
The next day.
Sorry, don't mind the pajama bottoms. You can feel the sandpaper grab. So this is the part that needs to be smoothed out. This is the part that's highly visible. So I found a little problem here. I started adding the paint and I realized the primer was still retaining some water. It doesn't look good. It looks like it's still wet. So I'm gonna stop there. Let it dry.
A few hours later.
I let it dry a little bit. Okay, now that it's fully dried, I'll try this again. Now I got this paint kit from Touch Up Direct and the color matching is awesome. Look how beautiful that sangria red pearl looks. The metal flake pops really nice in the sunlight. The color code is JV. Now let's add some clear coat. Ford called it candy apple red on the 2009 Mustang, but this color is listed as sangria red pearl. My 2005 Mustang was a fire metallic. I thought that color looked really great, but then when this color came out, wow, it really pops. And there it is. Freshly painted bumper. There are still a few things I want to do to this thing. Let me know in the comments on what ideas you may have to add to this project. But this baby is starting to look sweet. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you like my content, punch the subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. Keep the rubber down and God bless you.